What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Metacade. Okay, Metacade sold out. All right, so they sold out in every single stage, right? So right now, the pre-sale is closed, right? So if you want to buy it, you will have to wait for the listing on Uniswap in 3 days, 23 hours, 37 minutes, and 46 seconds. Okay, so you cannot buy Metacade anywhere else. Okay, so if you are in the Telegram group, be aware of scammers, because scammers will send you phishing websites. It's like a website very similar to this one saying, hey, you can claim your tokens now, or you can buy your tokens now. And once you go ahead, click and connect and everything, the scammers will drain your wallet. So please be aware of that. Don't get scammed. Okay, right now, as it stands, I believe I can claim my tokens. I haven't claimed my tokens. I want to make it live so you can see how to claim your tokens, because some people were struggling to claim their tokens. So I'm going to show you how to claim it. And also, if you come over here to the menu, you can see the staking pool. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the staking pool, as you can see right here. I did mention on the previous video, but I'm going to talk more about the staking pool. So scrolling further down, we can see that Metacade, it's been on the news in everywhere. Okay, FX Streets, Coin Market Cap, Yahoo, Coin Journal, etc. Okay, guys, so it's been all over. That's how I found out about Metacade, really. And you might be wondering, what is Metacade? Okay, so if you're scrolling further down, briefly, we can have a better understanding about what is Metacade. So Metacade is the ultimate Web3 community hub where players and blockchain fanatics get to network and collaborate. It is one-stop destination for all metaverse enthusiasts to access info about play-to-earn games and the opportunities they desire in the Web3 worlds. Okay, so what is the main goal? Okay, to create the most fun, dynamic virtual hangouts for like-minded people where they can enjoy all things GameFi. Okay, we are building the world's first community developed play to earn blockchain arcade for you to experience everything that Web3 culture has to offer. Okay, on the Metacade platform, you can meet fellow entrepreneurs, game developers, and blockchain enthusiasts who want to share their interests, ideas, and talents. Okay, hence me saying Metacade is going to be huge because it's the first project doing this thing. Okay, first platform doing this kind of thing. Okay, guys, so I believe Medicaid will do well. Just to give you an idea, Axie Infinity, the pre-sale stage, pre-sale price was around 20 cents, and Axie Infinity all-time high is 40 bucks. 40 bucks. So imagine if you invested 100 bucks on Axie Infinity at pre-sale stage, and then you hold you held that tokens all the way to all-time high. Imagine how many X's is that, right? It's insane, right? It's life-changing, right? So I'm not sure um, if Medicaid will do as well as Axie Infinity, but I believe it will go above $1. Okay, it will go above $1, right? So the pre-sale, the final stage was 20 cents, 20 cents or 2 cents. Um, I think it was 2 cents. Yeah, I think it was 2 cents, right? So the launch is going to be 2.2 cents. Okay, so not big difference because they want to prevent the dump. Okay, and yeah, that's that about the Medicaid. And I believe this thing will do really well. See it. So either by the end of this year or coming 2024. And the fact that they managed to sell out everything. Okay, so they sold out all the tokens, so they raised $16.3 million. That's a lot of money, right? So let's go over to claim, right? So when you click claim, let's see what happens. And nothing happens. So probably we'll have to refresh the page. Let me refresh the page real quick. So hang on. Pre-sale complete. Your tokens will be available to claim on the April 6, 2023 at 6 o'clock GMT time. Right, so there you have it, guys. So right now, I cannot claim the tokens, okay? So the claim opens in 3 days, 23 hours, 32 minutes, and 41 seconds, okay? So it matches the time that the staking pool will be open, okay? So once you can claim your tokens, you will have to be fast to jump in and staking pool, because the staking pool is capped to 250 million tokens. So first come, first serve. Okay, so once the 250 million tokens is reached, right? So no more tokens will be allowed, right? And your tokens will be locked for 6 months. So during 6 months, you cannot do anything with your tokens. But after 6 months, you can claim your initial stake plus a 40% on top of that. Okay, you will earn 40% ROI on top of your stake tokens. Okay, so yeah, it will be first come first serve. But this pool will only be available for pre-sellers. Okay, so whoever buys the token on the 6th of April, all right, will not be able to enter the staking pool because it's exclusive to the pre-sellers. Okay, so over here we can see the how to add the Metacade to my wallet. I already did that, but if you haven't done it, so all you got to do is click on it, come over here, well, click over here, takes you to here. All right, so my wallet is connected, so it's the step number 1. Step number 2 is add the Metacade to your wallet. So you click on it. All right, I already did that because I already copy and pasted the token on my MetaMask. But if you don't know how to do that, just come over here, click add Metacade to wallet. MetaMask will pop up and ask you to add the token to your wallet address. And yeah, so once you click on that, MetaMask will pop up and it will show you this. Okay, so all you got to do is add tokens. So this action will edit tokens that are already listed in your wallet, which can be fish only approve certain Okay, so I'm okay with that because I am on the official website. So I'm gonna go ahead and click add token. So once you add token, the token will be added to your MetaMask. Okay, so if you come over here to the MetaMask, you can see that the Metacade symbol is right here, logo is right here, and we can see the Metacade. Okay, guys. So as you can see on the TG group, they say you can do the action number 1 and action number 2, but not the action number 3. Okay, so you can only claim your tokens, right? So when this countdown timer goes to 0. Okay, so this is going to be on the launch date, right? So mark this date on your calendar. Okay, so once the claim opens, and if you want to stake your tokens in the staking pool for the pre-sellers, you got to be quick. Okay, guys, because the pool only going to be open for 24 hours. After 24 hours, right, the pool will be locked. Or if the 250 million tokens cap is reached, right? So you gotta be fast, and you're only gonna have 24 hours to use the pool. Okay, due to high demand, we are only offering this to our pre-sale community for 24 hours, so don't miss this opportunity. Okay, guys, over here we got the information about the staking pool, and we also have the FAQs, how to stake and everything. But yeah, guys, don't worry if you don't know how to stake. I will make a live video how to stake. Hopefully I'll find a position to enter and you will be able to see through how everything works. Okay, guys, it is very simple. So once the staking pool is open, you probably will have to approve the amount of tokens that you want to stake, and then once you pay the gas fee, another button will pop up saying stake, and then you select the amount of tokens that you want to stake, pay another gas fee, and boom, your tokens are locked for 6 months, and after 6 months you will earn this 40% ROI. Okay, so you'll be able to unstake your initial capital, plus you will earn a 40% bonus on top of those tokens. Okay, and essentially that's how it works. But if you're not familiar with these kind of things, okay, I would recommend it to come over here, home over here, come over here and click on them, and you will find information about how everything works. Okay, guys, so that's that. I just wanted to give you an update about Metacade. So shout out to the team behind the project. They are doing an amazing job. And yeah, guys, don't get scammed. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.